Meaning of floodlighting.
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 Floodlighting. Floodlighting refers to a manipulative tactic in which an individual or entity overwhelms another person with excessive communication and attention, often in the form of constant calls, messages, or gifts. The purpose of floodlighting is to create a sense of obligation in the recipient, making them feel indebted to the individual who is flooding them with attention. This type of behavior can be emotionally draining and may cause the recipient to feel trapped and unable to escape the situation. Ultimately, floodlighting undermines healthy relationships by eroding trust and personal boundaries.